Okay, so our model is now all painted up. If I turn the colorize on under poly paints, you can see I can turn it off and on. And what I did was, once I'd finished painting it, I then put it into the bright chrome color, and I made sure that I was on material only, and went to color and fill object, and it will fill it with that material then. But for now we want to turn it off because I want to show you how to go about making polygroups. What I tend to do is to take this down to a lower subdivision level, maybe to about 2. Then I go into one of the transpose tools, move, I click and I mask the hand area like so. I want to harden it up. I make sure I've got a hard mask, so I select across, and then click on that, and I can go back into draw mode and just press the Alt and the Shift, the Alt and the Control to harden the mask up. Then I reverse it, harden it up again, and now I go to Polygroups, which is down here, and I go from masking. And now it looks like nothing's happened, but if we go into the polygroups, you can see that you've created a new polygroup. Hasn't affected any of the subdivision levels, but it now means that you can quickly go in and isolate a part of the model by pressing Control Shift and then clicking on that part. So I suggest you go and use the same techniques, harden the mask when you do it. You can use any of the masking tools that you've learnt to date, so you might want to just do it freehand, or you might want to use the transpose method, which I used earlier, and then create your polygroups. And what I would suggest is that you create a polygroup for the hands, for the head, for the legs, and for the feet. Maybe split this, use the kneecaps, the calf, the thigh, the torso, the arms, the shoulder area, the forearms, the hands and the head, and also do separate polygroups for the eyeballs as well. Remember, you have to turn symmetry off for that. Okay, I'll see you in the next lesson where you will have fully polygrouped this, and then we will create our UVs to start exporting out to our 3D application Maya.